Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the tube map in the Bus Times application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the More Features section, look for the Tube Map button and click on that. And as you can see, here you can find the entire map and you can zoom on that and just look for anything you want. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.